Hello and welcome back. I'm just going to the notepad and actually I just want to teach you some more things about the functions. If you just remember in previous classes that we can make our functions, our own functions, but definitely there are a lot of pre-built functions as well. For example, echo is actually is considered as a function which actually has no parentheses, by the way, but some more functions here as well, like the sub str or str pose. Okay, here is the function and another function is str pose. Okay, so the both functions are string functions. I'm just going to teach you about these both functions. The specialty of function is most of the functions actually recognized by the notepad++ and converts into blue as you can see that sub str is blue for now, and the str pose. So how to use them? First of all, I'm just using the sub str right now. I'm just adding the comments here, okay, in this way, and there I'm just calling the sub str echo, and I'm just typing before the echo I'm just creating a variable str because I'll just apply the functions to that variable. So here I'm just typing hello students. I think I can type anything as I just want. So then what I'm just gonna do is actually pressing enter and just typing sub str and just covering that. Okay, and here what the sub str can do, actually str or sub str can do, can minus the text and only can show you the specific text or a specific amount of text which you want, and from where you want is it the thing inside the sub str. First of all, for example, I just only want to get the hello, not the students, from the str. So let's just type $str inside the sub str function, okay, and add the comma here, and then add a 0 here. Okay, 0 means I just want to start reading the function. I'm just allowing the sub str function to read the str from 0 character from the edge. Okay, and how much characters you want or I want, I'm just adding a comma and just telling only 5 characters I want, because if I just count HELLO, that means these are 5. So let's just go to the browser and I will get nothing. I already knew I'm getting nothing. Just why? Because as I said that everything needs to be echo in the browser. So refresh that again and I'm getting the hello here, only hello. Now for example, I just want to get the students only, so 1 2 3 4 5, and the space is also considered as a character. So let's just type 6. I just want the text after the 6 characters. So save that and go to the browser and refresh that. I'm getting stud. Why I'm just getting stewed something? Because I just applied only 5 characters after the 6th character. So let's just type, instead of 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So type 8 here. Okay, it means start from 6 and after the 6 approximately 8 characters. Okay, so go to the browser and refresh that. I'm getting students. Now one thing more, for example, you just want the DE of students, so 6 7 8 9. Okay, after the 9 characters of this str variable in only 2 characters. Save that and go to the browser and refresh that. I'm getting only DE. So how easy is this? I hope you understood. I'm just gonna teach you the next thing. Here I'm just adding in a BR there. Okay, and after the BR I'm just typing echo and the str pose. Actually what the str can do, it just can show us the position of the text. You know that by using the sub str we have to count the character. So by using the str pose we can get the position of the character. Okay, we don't need to count the value or the variable or the character's position. I'm just typing $str. It means I just want to get a position of any characters from the str variable. Add a comma because I just want to add the another parameter, and here I'm just typing actually this is called the argument. So by the way, here I'm just typing, I just want to search the s. I just want to find out the position of s, so I just typed s there and refresh that. I'm getting 13. What is the mean of 13? Actually you can see that 1 2 3. Okay, I understood the thing. 6 is this, and 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. After the 13 characters the s is there. why it didn't read this s, just because this is capital and this is small. Okay, so obviously the str pose is case sensitive. So if you just want to get the position of this s, so let's just type small s and save that and go to the browser back and refresh that. Now I'm getting 6. The meaning of 6 is hello is 5 and 1 is the space, and then these are 6 characters and then the s is there. Now for example, I just want to guide you one more thing. I'm just typing hello my students. Okay, I am, and then stop sign APOS, and then I'm doing my work here in my room. So there are 3 my and my and my. Here I'm just typing, I just want to get the position of my. Save that and go to the browser and refresh that. I'm getting 6. Why I'm getting 6 there? Because hello is 5 and 6 is in a space and then my. Okay, the my. And then if what if I just want to get the position of the this one my, so actually I have to add another argument there, add another comma, press any space, and then just put, and I'm typing. Obviously I knew the position of this my, this is the 6th. So if I and the y is the 7th. So if I just type here 8, then obviously I just crossed this my, so it will give us the position of this my. So save that and go to the browser again and then refresh that. I'm getting 34 because 34 is the position of this my. Okay, now if you just want to get the position of this my, so let's just type 36 because 34 is the position of this my, so obviously there are 2 characters, so 38. Okay, now save that again and go to the browser, and here I'm just refreshing this. This is 49. Why the 49? Just because the position of this my is 49. So I hope you understood how to use these 2 functions of the string functions, which are pre-built in PHP. You don't need to create these functions by yourself. They works their own self. You'll find some more functions in next lecture, so stay tuned and goodbye.